Shiny, and this is Parrot's Minikit Slim. Now it's a Bluetooth speaker designed mainly for use in your car, in your office, when you're going for a stroll, wherever you want really. Knock yourself out, go nuts. It's a Bluetooth speaker, you can use it wherever you need a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, it's really light, 83 grams. As you can see from the design, it's not really too obtrusive, so if it's sitting on your sun visor or something like that, it's not going to look too out of place. And it's got a nice, really thin wired clip at the back as well, so it's not too bulky, it's not in the way, and it clips onto things really, really nicely. Now, it's a nice little speaker, probably good for people who hate Bluetooth headsets or their phones have really poor speakers, or if like me you just like using a Bluetooth speaker, an external one with your phone. That's pretty cool. Now design wise, simplicity is the key, but this doesn't necessarily mean it's easy to use. It takes a while to get used to the button sequences that you need to use to access different modes of the speaker. So you've got this button here, which is your on button. You also use this to hang up and reject calls. The middle button is how you access the menu. Now I'm going to show you. So if I press the middle button,
phone book.
You can go for your phone book.
Receive contacts.
And you can change the volume. Oh.
Volume.
There you go. And to come out of that, you just press the red button. So as you can already probably start to tell, you're going to need to get used to what buttons to press in order to do what. Now the green button, this is how you answer your incoming calls, activate the voice activated feature, because it is voice activated, and a few other button sequences to get your last dialed calls and things like that. It's really easy to pair the device. You pair it as you would any other Bluetooth device that you've probably used in the past. As soon as you sync it, it automatically syncs your phone book to its memory, which is really good. Now if your phone doesn't do this, there should be an option within your phone to just push all your contacts over. And once it does that, all your contacts are automatically given voice tags. There's no need to individually put these on, which I quite like. Although it does have a bit of an issue if you've got quite a lengthy phone book, so maybe you've got a few Sarahs, or in my case Sarah and Zara. It found it a bit tricky to differentiate between the two. So let's give it a go.
Who do you want to call?
Danny B. New.
Daniel B. New. Cellular. Call
She sounds a bit strange. You'll get used to her in the end, but let's have a listen to the quality.
Hello.
Hello Dan, how are you?
Not too bad, mate.
Okay,
Not too bad at all.
let me just remind you that you are live on Shiny Tech TV, so please do not swear. Okay, so can you hear me? How do I sound?
Okay, you're fine, yeah?
Okay, now we want to hear you, so tell us about your day. What are you doing right now?
Right now I'm just getting going. I spent the morning cleaning the home. It's really interesting day.
Okay, well, there you go. Don't know if you could hear that. Alright Dan, thanks for that.
Alright,
Bye.
see you later.
Okay, quality was quite decent. You don't have to do this. I think that was just me naturally going like that to talk into the speaker. I'm going to show you some other
Who do you
names
want to call?
to show how it can't understand what I'm trying to tell it to do. Zara.
Who do you want to call?
Zara. See, it's having problems.
Who do you want to call?
Zara.
Zara. Cellular.
No, it was going to start calling someone I have in my phone book called Ziad, so that's a bit annoying. Although the good thing about it is you can apply individual voice tags if need be. So for example, like we just saw, it wasn't able to differentiate between Zara and Ziad. So if you apply your own voice tag, hopefully you'll be able to access these names a lot easier. Now, as I said, it automatically syncs all your contacts once the devices are paired. You can store up to 2,500 numbers, so if you're Mr. or Mrs. Popular, that's fantastic for you. Now, there's no speaker inside this. What it actually uses is NXT vibrating panel technology. So what it means is you have this flat panel technology inside rather than a speaker, and that allows it to have this slimline look as well. So that's pretty neat. It's got about 10 hours talk time, takes about 4 hours to charge. It's easy to use. once you get used to the button sequences. I haven't really had any problems with it, just mainly being the whole voice activation name tag thing that does get a little bit annoying. I have quite a large phone book, I'm afraid. This is popular. My other bugbear with this is it doesn't have a screen. Now it doesn't really need one, but I like to know what's going on. I like things to flash. I like to know that it's actually working. Now it's actually on, but there's nothing flashing. You wouldn't be able to tell whether it's on or not, so I don't like that. But other than that, it is a really, really cool Bluetooth speaker for wherever you want, as I mentioned earlier. Now it's $59.99, sorry. It's out next month. Initially as the Minikit Slim, and afterwards it's going to come out as a limited edition Minikit Chic. And this just has this metallic floral pattern on the front, so it's a bit girly. I've seen it, it's quite nice, so that's going to follow. And there you go, that's Parrot's Minikit Slim.